Peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome to all my emperors and empresses. To anyone that's new here, welcome. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, comment, ask questions, and just sit back and check out some of my videos on my playlist for dreadlocks. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to be speaking about something I talk about often, but a lot of people don't go back to the old videos and see it. And especially with me having a lot of new people here that are starting off. Um, these are just, it's going to be real quick. These are just some of the top 5 reasons why you're stunning your growth, which are Natty dreadlocks, locks, whatever you choose to call them. I call them Natty dreadlocks, and you could choose to call them whatever you would like. One of the top reasons why you are stunting the growth is because, first of all, you are not patient. You're not patient, and you're going around from channel to channel, from room to room on Facebook, and asking questions from a lot of different people, um, and getting a lot of misinformation. The more that you ask questions, you're going to get like a bunch of different answers. You need to follow and listen to someone that has healthy hair. Um, if somebody is sitting back trying to tell you different things about your hair growth or whatever, and their hair doesn't look healthy, then that's not somebody that you should be listening to. Keep the I'm not saying don't watch other channels. I'm saying just be mindful that a lot of people have different opinions, and you need to listen to very few just so you can, stay balanced and not get misinformation. That's number one. Number two, stop fiddling in your hair. Stop bothering it. Stop worrying about it. Let it be. Stop touching it. Don't stop allowing other people to touch it. Um, that's your crown. That's your crown and glory. Um, no two people have the same crown. That's the uniqueness in it all. That's the beauty in it all. You don't have to go. I mean, especially if you're trying to freeform, there's no reason to go to a loctician to allow your hair to grow freely the way that it naturally grows. If you are of African descent, our hair naturally has a texture that grows and can kind of combine and lock easily, very easily, you know. So, just, be mindful. Just be very mindful of what you're doing, who you're allowing in your head. If you're manipulating, using technique or so, don't over. If you are twisting, do not do retwists every month or what have you because it's frizzy or whatever, or going in with crochet hooks and stuff to keep the frizz down. If you're about freeform or just letting your hair grow, period, there's going to be frizz. Our hair is naturally made to lock. I mean, no matter what the grade, no matter what the texture. Some people have curly hair, some people have super curly hair, some people have kinkier hair, some people have fine hair, and which, certain hair doesn't, fine hair doesn't necessarily, may not lock as fast. So, be patient. Be patient with it. Be very mindful that this is a process. It's going to be a journey. It's something that it's going to be a while. Next month will be 16 years for me. And hopefully one day I'll be able to do, if I can find all my pictures, I'll be able to do a little video and show you some of the different stages. If you watch some of my old videos, you'll be able to see some of the different stages. Okay. Number 3, you're not putting the right things in your body. You're focusing on putting products and stuff in your hair and worried about, oh, should I use this? Oh, should I use that? Oh, am I freeform? Oh, am I semi-freeform? But you're not thinking about what you're putting in your body. If you're sitting out eating fast foods all the time or drinking sodas and drinking a lot of alcohol or whatever, a lot of that can, it's toxic, and it can, I'm sorry, something just popped up on my screen. It's toxic, and it can stunt, I can't see. Okay, I'm sorry. and it can stunt, your hair growth. It can make your hair unhealthy. It can make your hair and your skin and your nails and your body. Period. Stop putting that fast food in your body. Start hydrating yourself. If you can't drink a gallon of water a day, try to drink as much as you can. Try to come as close as you can to a gallon. I challenge you. Um, Usually, you all see me drinking out of I think it's what, a 2 quart or quart size. This particular device that I have, for those who don't like drinking water, you could put fruit inside of here. Like I have right now, I have lemons, and I have, what else? Cucumbers. Lemons and cucumbers. It changes the whole little flavor, and it's not like you adding sweeteners or anything. This is natural. This is stuff that helps detox your body, make you feel good. Lemons are definitely good. Lemons and cucumbers totally are good. So try to hydrate yourself. And again, if you're struggling with it, make sure that you add a little something. These bottles you can find anywhere. I actually found this at the dollar store. I bought 3 of them at the Dollar Tree, dollar store. I don't know if you have them everywhere. Okay, so that was number 3. Not putting the right stuff in your body, not drinking enough water. Okay, number 4, not massaging or stimulating your scalp. Your scalp has to be massaged and stimulated, and not only massaged and stimulated, it also needs to be clean. I have heard people, and it bothers me greatly that people have sat back and talked about not cleaning their hair. And my hair is super long, and if I can clean my hair, I do water rinses. Look at my video list, you'll find out what that is, or Google it, or look on YouTube and find out what water rinsing only is. You'll see some people that talk very negative about it, and you'll see some people that actually have, embraced it, and it has helped them, it has worked for them. I'm not saying that it works for everybody, but I do water rinses. I do not use shampoos and conditioners and stuff. I stimulate my scalp. I massage my scalp. I might use some essential oils or so sometimes just to place on my scalp, just to, go in and manipulate it and stimulate it. Any type of stimulation will help with some growth. Now, I'm not saying, oh, you're going to grow hair really fast, or it's going to lock really fast because you do this. I'm saying, being a licensed cosmetologist, I know what stimulating a scalp does. Your hair only grows a quarter to a half inch per month. Sometimes it may grow faster, sometimes it may grow slower, sometimes it may not grow at all. It's called anagen, catagen, and telogen stages. I talk about that on my playlist. So that's another thing. Okay, and finally, let's see, what do I want to say? Finally, your energy. The energy that you're putting out here, the things that you are saying, be very mindful. If you keep saying things that are negative, it's like talking to a plant. If you don't talk to a plant in a nice way, if you don't treat that plant in a nice way, what will happen? It will die. It will die. Make sure that you embrace this journey. Make sure that you love whatever stage you're in, whether it's just starting off today, day one, whether it's frizzy, whether you have flats, like I love my flats, whether you have congos, whatever. Just, be think about, the things that you're saying. Don't put out any negativity or whatever when you're talking about your crown, because your crown is beautiful, it's unique. And no matter what stage you're in, if it's short, if it's super long, if it's just an afro stage and just like barely button on the ends, that's your journey. It's a beautiful thing. You know, do not stunt your growth by doing any of the things that I stated above. Product usage, it's not necessary. Do you think that people back, 500 years ago or so, had products to put on their hair? 100 years ago, used products on their hair? Do you think that Bob Marley and a lot of the people from back in the days, I just came up with him because that was the first person that came to my mind. But because I love how thick and beautiful his hair is. He was not twisting, he was not applying products or anything. And his hair evolved and changed over the years. It's a journey. Embrace it. Once you embrace the journey, your hair will start to flourish. Trust and believe that. Before you know it, it'll be as wild as you want it, as thick as you. Well, if you have fine hair, of course, it's not going to just thicken up. And again, all of our hair is unique. I didn't get all of this hair sitting back, overnight. It's been 16 years. So just again, appreciate the journey. Eat good things. Stay away from toxic people. And I don't know if I said that earlier. Stay away from anything that's toxic. Love your body by putting good nutrients and stuff into it. Stop allowing people to touch your crown, because really everything you could do by yourself. Product usage, all that stuff. No, it doesn't take beeswax. No, it doesn't take a whole lot of stuff. Use natural products. Use aloe from the plant. You can cleanse your hair with cactus. Those are just some of the things, again, how you can stunt the growth of your hair. So I'm going to end this video. I said it was going to be short, and I'm still talking. But I love you all. Thank you so much, everybody, for rocking with me. Thank you to my Sunday crew who comes in and rocks. If you don't know about the Sunday live chats, if you're new here, Sundays are popping, 4 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time. We have a conversation about Natty dreadlocks, freeformers, people starting off, people that twist, that manipulate, and we talk about nutrition, and we talk about just whatever we want to talk about. It's an adult. It's a negative free zone. This whole channel is a negative free zone. I don't accept negativity around me. That's another thing. Don't accept, I said toxic before, but no negativity. Even the things that you think in your mind, you wouldn't believe. I remember when I was going through a lot of stress and stuff. This was years ago when I was a hairstylist. My hair used to thin right in my temple area all the time. That's another tip. That's another bone I'm gonna throw at you. That's a gem. Catch this one. Stress. Stress will will make your hair fall out. It will. My temples had thinned out completely. I've seen other people that has happened to that have sat in my chair because they were going through stressful situations. You can't allow stress in your body. Stop. Just stop. I know it's hard. It's rough out here. I live in Chicago. I know for sure it's rough out here. Everything is super high. It's a lot of things to be stressed out about. Jobs, money, children, all of that. Release, let go, love yourself. And I love you all. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it to the end of the video, let's see, what should you say? Okay, if you made it to the end of the video, and those that know me know how I say water, that is the word. If you made it to the end of the video, just go ahead and let me know that you made it by saying water. Peace and love, everybody. Stay tuned for Sunday's live chat. It's going to be on and popping. All right. Blessings.